Hello, today we are going to make a chocolate oats smoothie. So we are going to have milk into the blender. So you can always use whichever milk you're comfortable with. It can be animal milk or vegetable milk, whatever you prefer. And you're going to add cocoa powder into the blender. So cocoa powder, a teaspoon or less or more to your taste, and then I'm going to add in some oats. That will be enough. And then the magic ingredient, the energy giver, the sweetener. That's a frozen banana. Good. So we're going to blend that up. So if you want it really smooth, you can blend it more. But if you like it a bit chunky, you don't have to blend it so much. So I think mine is good and it's ready to be served. That is just delicious. It's like chocolate ice cream, only better. You see, it's awesome. Try it, and then when you've made it, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching.